Okay, next, convection. So convection is a transfer of energy between a solid surface and adjacent fluid that is in motion. So you need to have surface, solid surface and fluid for convection. But the fluid must be in motion, must be movable, must in motion. Involves the combined effects of conduction and fluid motion. So this is forced convection. Okay, so we have air, we have hot egg. Okay, so this is the surface of the hot solid. Okay, hot egg. Okay, and then we have a fluid that is in motion, move from here to here. So this is a convection. Okay, it is called as forced convection because you set the direction of the convection, the direction of the flow of the fluid. Okay, so if it's natural convection, okay, so the fluid will just flow naturally, but still there will be interaction between hot egg and fluid in motion. Okay, so the transfer of energy between solid surface and the fluid motion. Okay, so heat will transfer from hot egg to the fluid. Okay, so this is the diagram looks like, velocity of variation of air. So this is how does the air flows. Okay, so this is the surface of solid surface. Okay, so this is a bulk of variation of air. Okay, the rate of heat transfer by convection is determined by Newton's law of cooling, expressed as, this is the equation, Q convection equals to HA Ts minus Tf. Okay, so Q convection is a heat transfer rate for convection. Okay, A is the area, H for convective heat transfer coefficient, Ts okay, this is the unit of H. Okay, Ts is actually surface temperature in Kelvin. Tf is the bulk fluid temperature away from the surface. Okay, so sorry for this misaligned description. Okay, the symbol. Okay, but you know that this is T surface, the surface temperature. Tf is the bulk fluid temperature away from the surface. Okay, so this is the example of the values. The convective heat transfer coefficient is an experimentally determined parameter that depends upon the surface geometry, nature of fluid motion, properties of the fluid, and the bulk fluid velocity. So ranges of the convective heat transfer coefficient are given below based on the cases. Okay, so if it's a free convection of gases, free, this is the value. Okay, if convection of liquids force, this is convection of gases force, convection of liquids, convection in boiling and condensation. So we have different values. Okay.